This is the Bucher CityCat VR50e, a breakthrough in all-electric performance for compact street sweepers. With powerful suction and wide-diameter intake, it tackles everything from fine dust to bulky debris with ease. Its 528-gallon water capacity and stainless steel hopper mean longer sweeping shifts with fewer stops. The collision-protected brush arms sweep up to 12 feet wide, controlled independently with SmartCon precision. With brush tilt and pressure control, it adapts instantly to different surfaces, from city streets to job sites. Despite its size, the VR50e is incredibly agile. Selectable four-wheel steering gives you confident control in the tightest spaces. And when the job's done, activate EasyClean, the self-cleaning system that rinses the dirtiest, hard-to-reach spots in minutes. Powerful, quiet, efficient. The CityCat VR50e is built for the future of urban cleaning. Want to learn more or schedule a demo? Contact McCann Industries today